डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज हमारा टॉपिक है सॉवरेन स्टेट या स्टेट सॉवरेनिटी, रियासत की खुद मुख्तारी। चलें शुरू करते हैं। Which one of the following features of legal sovereignty has been wrongly listed? A. It is indefinite. B. It enjoys only limited authority. C. It possesses the power to issue final commands. D. All rights emanate from it. Correct answer is B. It enjoys only limited authority. The legal sovereign has to bow before the A. Real sovereign, B. Political sovereign, C. Popular sovereignty, D. None of the above. The correct answer is B. Political sovereign. The de facto and de jure sovereignty A. are opposed to each other. B. can exist side by side. C. have no relation with each other. D. are acquired with the help of force. Correct answer is B. can exist side by side. De facto and de jure sovereignty can exist side by side. The concept of external sovereignty was developed by A. John Aston, B. Grotius, C. Opium, D. Bentham. Correct answer is B. Grotius. External sovereignty means A. right of the state to act without outside restrictions, right of state to apply international law. C. right of state to spend diplomatic envoy to other states. D. rights of a state to maintain an army of its own. The correct answer is right of the state to act without outside restrictions. A. external sovereignty means a right of the state to act without outside restriction. Who said that sovereignty resides in determinate a human superior? A. Boden, B. Grotius, C. Aston, D. Montesquieu. The correct answer is C. Aston. Aston said that sovereignty resides in determinates a human superiority. Who said that sovereignty cannot reside in determinates a human superiority? Correct answer is D. Henry Maine said that sovereignty cannot reside in determinates a human superiority. In other, Aston said sovereignty as reside in determinates a human superiority. The term sovereignty has been drawn from the Latin term A. Supronus, B. Supreme Court, C. Soviet, D. Statutes. The correct answer is A. Supronus. Supronum is a term drawn from the Latin. Sovereignty is an essential attribute of A. state, B. society, C. government, D. parliament. Correct answer is A. state. Who said that sovereignty was the fullness of state? A. the Greeks, B. the English, C. the Romans, D. Indians. The correct answer is C. the Romans. Which of the following characteristics of sovereignty has been wrongly listed? A. Absoluteness. B. Divisibility. C. Permanence. D. Exclusiveness. The correct answer is B. Divisibility. Wrongly listed. The concept of legal sovereignty was for the first time propounded by A. Hobbes, B. Rousseau, C. Locke, D. T.H. Green. Correct answer is A. Hobbes. Hobbes first time gave the concept of legal sovereignty. Sovereignty is an attribute of A. Despotic state only, democratic states only, all states, D. Government. Correct answer is C. All states. The concept of political sovereignty is associated with A. Plato, B. John Locke, C. Rousseau, D. Austin. Correct answer is B. John Locke.